Okay, I'll make a quick video here. Okay, this is my first PTZ camera. Okay, you can see the joystick, and thus I have bought a second one. Okay, my first PTZ camera. Here it is. And just I'll move again to show you. And zoom here. Zoom and zoom. Okay, and unboxing. This is the camera. This one. Read the manual. Yeah, already have read the manual. 4K. This is the base. Right. And here is all the hardware. Everything you need. We've got a joystick, cables, power supply, and ta-da! Welcome back. Welcome, brand new. Yeah, I know. Here we are. We have HDMI, USB, connectors for the joystick, LAN cable, and here is the new PTZ camera. I'll put it in there in the end to test it, as I'm not having a tripod. I have been taking the other 4K from there. I must buy a tripod, sorry, a tripod. Okay, so nice, yay, happy to see also this PTZ taking different angles, zooming in and out as I'm running live streaming my trains. Good news everyone, happy, more than ever, I'm happy more than ever. Thank you for watching.